You gotta make this sauce. We're going to first make the mixture a salad consistency as we cook the chicken and carrot strips, but boil the carrot slices near the end. Then we'll reduce the mixture more to make the sauce. So to make the full meal, I used 1 carrot and 1 chicken breast per person, 1/4 cup minced shallots, 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of minced garlic in olive oil, and 1/4 cup broth to simmer. For the dressing and sauce mixture, you'll want 1 cup of chicken broth, 2/3 cup of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. The lemon juice and a few flakes of the crushed red peppers will balance the sweetness. Here we go. Mix 1 cup of chicken broth with 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard in a saucepan over medium heat. Add 2/3 cup of maple syrup and a tiny pinch of red pepper flakes. Then reduce to a salad dressing consistency where it coats a spoon. Ladle out about 1/4 cup for the salad dressing and refrigerate. For the chicken breasts or cutlets, I heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat, add 1/4 cup of minced shallots, stir until tender, and then stir in the 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. I push that to the outside and quick sear both sides of the chicken, season with salt and pepper. Once browned, I add 1/4 cup of chicken broth, reduce the heat, cover, and cook to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The sauce will be reducing, so reduce to a syrup-like consistency. If it thickens too much, add chicken broth. The carrot slices should be cooked and we're ready to plate. For the little mini salad, I used 1/2 spring mix and 1/2 baby arugula lettuce. You're going to get out that amazing dressing that we made and drizzle it over the lettuce. Do not grab those tongs that touch the raw chicken. Using clean tongs, coat the lettuce leaves and place on the upper right side of the plate. Top with sweet bell pepper pieces and thin shallot rings. Scoot the hot carrot slices on the upper left and the chicken facing front with the back resting up on the carrots and salad. Then let the glaze flow down the chicken and over to the carrots. The glaze is perfect for carrots and the salad flavors are unbelievably incredible. And you gotta make this. And to see all of my videos, don't forget to click subscribe. You can click the link below for the written recipe.